This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, hello all. Welcome to the next session on ABAP. And till now, we have discussed a lot of concepts like what is SAP, what is SAP basic ABAP programming, what is internal tables, and how you can build the reports and BDC. And also we have seen what is object orientation and modularization techniques. And also we have seen the OData, and also the ABAP on HANA. We have seen what is ABAP on HANA, what is HANA database, and what is ABAP on HANA with CDS and AMDP with code pushdown techniques. And so when you look at the architecture of an SAP, so there are a lot of advancements in each layer. In each layer, there are a lot of advancements, right? So which is a presentation layer, and we have application layer, and we have database layer. So we have seen in the advancements in terms of database, and we did a lot of things on ABAP on HANA. HANA database, what is HANA database? What is the capabilities of HANA database? And how you can build in a procedures, that means stored procedure AMDP, how you can push down all your application logic into the database layer with CDS and AMDP. And also we have seen some of the new syntaxes, okay, the advancements in each area, okay, Control V and Control C. And here we see the new syntaxes, inline declarations, new way of writing filling the internal table with value operator, move corresponding new operator to instantiate and all. And in terms of the presentation, so what is the advancements in terms of the presentation layer? Okay, there is a presentation layer. So till now you have used your SAP applications by using SAP GUI in the presentation layer. So everything you are doing in a reporting and SAP GUI, and how you can access your SAP applications by using SAP UI5 and Fiori. Okay, this is the advancement in terms of the presentation layer. Okay, so till now we access the data from SAP GUI to the application layer. Your ABAP programs will run in the application layer, and data will be stored in the database layer. Data will be fetched from database layer to the application layer, and the data reported in the SAP GUI. But how we can expose our data? How we can expose our data from application layer and to the see? So this is so till now we have reported all the data. See, till now we are using we are presenting the data in the SAP GUI. What is the disadvantage of SAP GUI? So suppose I'm working on a sales order VA01, and okay, I went for a lunch, and when I came back from my lunch, my session will be timed out, right? So that is one thing. And the second thing is, whenever we use SAP GUI, you must log into the computer to access the SAP applications. And so suppose I went for a vacation. Okay, I went to the beach where I need to do one important task for my company. I'm not able to do it. I do not have any laptop, but I have a mobile. So with the mobile, I cannot access my SAP system. It's not at all possible. Okay, this is also one of the thing. So sometimes, okay, I have a big application where I'm filling the data. Okay, my shift is completed. One more guy who is going to work in night shift, you need to complete the task. But if you use SAP GUI, you cannot log in the same application. You cannot save in a draft. Let's take an example in Gmail. I'm writing in a mail. Let's take an example. Okay, immediately the connection is completed or logged off. But when I try to log in one more time into the Gmail, the mail which you have written partially, that will be available in the draft. So the draft capability is not possible with the SAP GUI. But with SAP UI5 and Fiori, we can have a draft capability. So I did my work for half an hour, then due to some network connection, So if I want to continue my work, I can do with the Fiori application, not with the SAP GUI. SAP GUI will be timed out. Again, you need to start from the scratch. So you are out of half an hour time, whatever you put, that will be wasted. So the advantages of SAP UI5 and Fiori, what exactly are is, suppose, what is the disadvantages of SAP GUI? First, we'll talk about disadvantages of SAP GUI. One disadvantage is we must log into your PC or laptop, a desktop or laptop, to access SAP GUI. This is the one disadvantage, right? And sometimes, okay, and timeout issue with SAP GUI, and we cannot continue from where we left. Okay. The third disadvantage is we cannot collab, collab, collaborate with other people. We cannot collaborate with other people, and device switch not possible. That means I cannot access from mobile. I cannot access my tab. It's not possible, right? Device switch is not possible. So, and draft functionality not possible. Tell me more disadvantages of the SAP GUI. One is you have to log into the laptop, timeout issue. We cannot, collaboration is not possible, device switch is not possible, and draft functionality is not possible. And 6 sessions. Yeah, okay, session limitation, exactly. I cannot open multiple sessions. We have a session limitation. Okay, maybe I will add more, guys. So this is some of the disadvantages of the SAP GUI. And also, so to avoid these issues, SAP has come up with the framework called SAP UI5 and Fiori framework. Okay, where all this possible in the SAP UI5 and Fiori, guys. So SAP UI5 and Fiori. Okay, Fiori. So what we can, what is the SAP UI5? What is SAP UI5 first? Okay, first we'll talk about SAP UI5. SAP UI5 is a framework. Okay, and what is framework? Framework is the collection of libraries. And what is library? Library is a collection of methods. Library is a collection of methods. Okay, so what is the framework? What is libraries which we have? in SAP UI5. How exactly SAP UI5 built? SAP UI5 built up with open technologies like HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. So SAP UI5 built. So SAP UI5 is in a framework, guys. SAP UI5 doesn't have their own technology. They built their framework based on by using the open. These are all the open things. Okay, open technologies like HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript and jQuery. So these technologies are used to build these technologies are used to build okay UI applications. So right. So if you want to design a web page, definitely the web page means we can browse the web applications by using your internet browsers. Okay, how you can access any web page by using Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Opera or okay Safari. So these are the browsers. From browsers we are going to access the web applications, but browsers only understand HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so every browser, suppose I'm from in a Google. Okay, if I want to build okay Google browser Chrome, okay, I need to follow. We have to follow the standards and guidelines set by w3schools.com. So this is the company. They have their own set of tools to design any browser. Okay, so w3schools.com is a company. They set the standards and guidelines. Based on the standards and guidelines, every browser will be built upon. So browsers can understand only JavaScript as a programming language. And what is HTML5? What is HTML? Hypertext markup language, and which provides static web pages. Okay, if you want to design static web page, we use an HTML5, and HTML uses HTML tags. We have an HTML tags. So HTML uses an HTML tag. So this is a markup language. It's not a programming language, guys. It's just markup language, and we can design in a static web pages. Okay. Then we have a CSS, and which is a cascading style sheets. And so with this, we can design the page and provide alignment to the page, and will apply some colors to the web page. We can apply the colors. With HTML, we cannot apply the colors. So if you want to apply, if you want to design the design of your page, and if you want to apply the alignment of your page, if you want to apply the colors, if you want to provide the colors to your web page, we are going to use the CSS. But if you want to do manipulations, if you want to do dynamic data, if you want to do some manipulations and all, the only programming language we use is in a JavaScript. JavaScript is not a Java, guys. There is an entirely different. Java is different. JavaScript is different entirely. Okay, don't think that JavaScript means you need to know the Java. Java is different and JavaScript is different, and it is a client based programming language. It's not a server, guys. It's a client based. Client means web browser is your client. Okay, so it's a client based programming language. Okay, with this we can do data manipulations on the web page. We can do the data manipulations or data display, everything. The data manipulations means everything comes CRUD operations. In the client side, we are going to do with the JavaScript. Okay, this is some of the overview on the SAP UI5, and I will talk the Fiori later. And SAP UI5 is the framework, and the framework is in a collection of libraries, and the library is in a collection of methods. So SAP built in a framework for you. So we have to utilize the framework, SAP UI5 framework. We need to build the applications. And if you want to build UI5 applications, we can build some of the tools by using. We can use, what are the tools we use? What are all the tools we use to build SAP UI5 applications? Okay, we have one is Eclipse. With Eclipse, we can build UI5, and with there is an SAP Web IDE. With this also we can use. There is a Naptune is the software. With this also we can build it. But our course is we are going to build SAP UI5 and Fiori applications using SAP Web IDE. So this is the tool which we are going to use to build the SAP UI5 and Fiori applications. So if you want to access the SAP Web IDE, so we have to activate the account in SAP Cloud Platform. In SAP Cloud Platform, we have to activate the account, guys. So what is the site and where you can build your SAP Cloud Platform, guys? So I go to here, another bookmarks. So get free trial account on SAP Cloud Platform and take this, and that's it. This is the link. And here, guys, get a free trial account on SAP Cloud Platform. Okay. So first you must log into the sap.com, www.sap.com. So maybe I will go to this link. Okay. And go to the here. There is a symbol, logon symbol. Click on logon symbol. And here, provide your email address. So give me email address, guys. Some of the people I already activated. So if anyone want to activate, I will do it for you. So one user ID, I will do the activation. Can anybody tell your user ID if you want to have activation email ID? So maybe I can take the Rakesh one. Rakesh, can you give your email ID? Okay.
Rakesh.
Okay. Nitin also given. Maybe you can take it later. Nitin. Nitin K dot abap 15 @gmail.com. Okay, this is the email ID. First name is Nitin and K and company. Don't give any company. Address is India, and give your mobile number, Nitin. Oh, you are giving WhatsApp? Yeah. What is your number? Phone number? Okay, this is the phone number, Control V, and relationship to SAP. You can say SAP employee, prospective partner, consultant. You can take as a consultant. Create password. I'm making the same password, Nitin, whatever you have given. So I have given the same password. I have understood the. Please enter the same value again. Okay, I did mistake. Okay, submit. Okay, company it is asking. You can put something. Submit. Okay, done. Thanks for your interest in SAP. So a email will be sent to your Gmail address. Okay, so then I go to the Gmail. And go and add another account. Nitin, yeah. So you have to log into the Gmail. See, activate your SAP, your account for SAP.com. Click on the message, and here you need to click to activate your account. Click. So you will be redirected shortly. So that's it. I think, okay, it's Nitin, account settings. Yeah, I think it is activated. And after this, after you do this, then go to here. Your thing is activated. So done. And then you need to go to the one more link, activate your account, finalize your account, click to activate your account. So I didn't get, okay, I get this email and account finalization. Yes. Now you need to log on to the SAP Cloud Platform Trial, guys. See this link you need to click on SAP Cloud Platform Trial and log in into this page. So select these two check boxes and accept. So SAP Cloud Platform Cockpit is loading. So here you can enter your trial account. So see guys, this is your email ID, sorry, mobile number. So it's the same mobile number which you have given, Nitin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same number, right? So you will get a code. Can you give me that code? 95020, yeah. So you get an SMS. Please give me the code.
Okay, already sent. 261 4105.
Yeah, continue.
సో మెయిన్ మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చంటే మనం ఇంకా రీసెర్చ్ చేయొచ్చు ఒకటి ఇప్పుడైతే ఇంకా మొన్ననైతే
And you need to select Europe Frankfurt, guys. Don't select USA. So you need to select Europe and create account. So it will creating an account for you in the cloud platform. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's done. So you are ready. Congratulations, Nitin. You are into the SAP Cloud Platform account. So now you can go to the, so there is a cloud platform Neo trial account. So you need to go to the Neo trial account. So go to the trial account Neo platform. So maybe where I can go. So it's in a cloud foundry, guys. Don't go to the cloud foundry. We should go to the Neo cloud platform actually. Once it is activated, and maybe I can take it out. See here, you can go here, come down. You can see there is a Neo cloud platform. See access to Neo trial. Go to the access to Neo trial. This is important. So see guys, so go to services here. In the services, see guys, there are a lot of things. You can do a lot of advanced things with this cloud platform. And here you can see there is an SAP Web IDE full stack, which is enabled for you. See, and double click on the SAP Web IDE full stack and go to service. See, this is a cloud which indicates an HTML tag. See, you can build the UI application. That's the symbol. So from the cloud platform, this is a cloud symbol. Inside there is an angular brackets with the HTML tag symbol and okay. So this is your space. Hello Nitin, congratulations once again. Now this is my workspace. Here I can build my UI5 and Fiori applications, guys. So that's all about the theory today. And maybe tomorrow I will give a brief introduction about HTML5 and CSS and a little bit the thumb rules of JavaScript, how to debug the JavaScript, how you can build a simple UI5 applications. Then later we are going to, we will go back. Why? Because so in this architecture, so where is my architecture, guys? See, so we already discussed about the OData services. This is my SAP Gateway Foundation. OData. You know the OData, you know the backend ABAP logic, and you know the database logic, and only you need to know the UI logic. If you know the UI logic, so from UI, we are going to consume the data from SAP by using OData, and we can build our UI5 applications. Guys, every layer, okay, we are going to cover in this course. Okay, so normally we doesn't build HTML CSS, just you should know what exactly those will do, and we are going to use SAP UI5 and framework. Okay, without writing single line of JavaScript code, I will teach you how to build the Fiori applications. No need to worry on JavaScript and all, just you need to know some kind of techniques, the debugging techniques. I will teach you the debugging techniques. Then without lining single code of JavaScript, not required. So I'm going to teach the Fiori applications by using total backend logic, OData and CDS. With CDS and OData, we have that much capability. Without writing single line of JavaScript code, we can build the Fiori applications, guys. So, but if you need to have an SAP Web ID, so it's a free, guys. No need to pay single rupee. It's a free of cost. You need to enable with your, just you need to have internet and user ID and password. That's it. You need to have user ID, password, and internet. Then you can build your Fiori applications. Okay. So please activate your account in the SAP Cloud Platform. So to activate your account in the SAP Cloud Platform, you have to access this and you need to follow my guidelines. So if you have any questions in terms of activation, please connect me with me or with Prashant Reddy. So we are going to activate the account for you guys. Okay, so that's it for the day. Do you have any questions? So guys, now the requirement totally into the UI5 and Fiori and OData CDS object oriented ABAP. That's it. Okay, the JD coming into my emails. The job description, ABAP, object oriented ABAP, CDS, AMDP, UI5 and Fiori. This is the job descriptions nowadays. Okay, even after the recession also, maybe most of the existing people also will lose the jobs. That's I can guarantee. So who knows these technologies, they are going to survive in the market. Even if you have 10 years experience, that doesn't matter. Okay, that kind of recession we are going to face in future. So if you know the advanced technology and the companies are going to recruit you, that's it. If you don't know the advanced technologies, no job, nothing. Even if you are working also, it doesn't applicable. So even most of the layoffs is going in the market. Okay, I'm seeing my close friends also lost their jobs in the last week. Okay, so don't think that existing working people will survive. No, it's not at all possible. There is a lot of ramp down which is going down. So you should know the technology if you want to come into the industry in the future. Definitely you should learn the new technologies. Without learning the new technologies, you cannot survive it. So please activate your trial account in the SAP Cloud Platform and practice the OData and CDS. So that is the key things for the Fiori applications and SAP UI5 application. Without knowing CDS, without knowing object-oriented ABAP, without knowing the OData, you cannot build your UI5 and Fiori applications, guys. So that's it for the day. Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah. What about your friend Sai? Your two friends are not attending, Naveen and Sai.
Actually, they have some work, sir.
Yeah, I know. I will check with Irfan. Back and I will talk offline. Okay.
Okay, man. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for the day. So maybe I need to share the PPT. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.